Not again. This phone should be illegal. They should not be selling this. I mean, just listen to the specs. Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, 2K AMOLED panel, a 7100 mAh battery, metal frame, glass back, and there's even MagSafe charging support here. And all that at a super aggressive price that you just won't believe. The phone that I'm talking about is the Edge 70 Max. It has to be the most aggressively priced phone of 2026, and man, this looks nothing like any Motorola phone that you've ever seen. Seriously, the design is completely changed. It's not vegan leather anymore, and the display is also flat, so goodbye curves. Now, before I go deeper into this phone, it'll be really great if you can hit the like button, because I'll not just talk about the good stuff, but I'll also tell you what's not so good. So hit the like button, and now that you've done that, let's get started. First of all, this is everything that you get in the box. There's obviously the phone, a 90-watt charger, USB Type-C to C cable, and the SIM ejector tool. There's no case and no pre-applied screen protector here. And once I took out the phone, my first reaction was, this doesn't even look like a Moto phone. And just to be clear, this was a good feeling, because let's be honest, we all wanted Motorola to change the design, and they just did it. The in-hand feel is great. It's all flat, it's very grippy, and the corners are rounded, so it's very gentle on your palm. The weight and the width is definitely there, but it doesn't feel very heavy in the hands. The phone comes in 3 different colors. All of them look good, and the one that we have with us is the aqua gray. The button placement is usual, nothing different here. And for durability, you get IP68, IP69 military grade certification, and there's Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection on the back. One of the very special thing here is this. Yes, after iPhones and Pixels, this is the only phone to get proper G2.2 magnetic wireless charging support. This means that you can snap in any MagSafe accessory on this phone and it'll just work. No special case required, no ring required, it just works natively. We have tried it with everything that we have in our office and it just works flawlessly. The magnets are powerful enough, and for those who have used MagSafe accessories, they know how useful this is. I'm just glad that it's here. On the front, you get a flat 6.8-inch AMOLED panel, which a lot of people prefer. It's an LTPO panel with 144Hz refresh rate, but the most interesting thing is that it's a high-resolution Quad HD Plus 2K panel. And just to give you an idea, this display is more clearer and more detailed with much more pixels than any Full HD Plus display. The display brightness is good too. I did not face any visibility issues outdoors. You also get optical fingerprint scanner here, which works quite well. And for protection, there's Gorilla Glass 7 eye on the front. When it comes to watching movies and shows, HDR videos on YouTube come out sharp and detailed. The Dolby Atmos supported stereo speakers are also loud enough, and the equal 50-50 separation is just cherry on top. The only thing you should know is that currently this phone is not showing HDR support on Netflix, but this is something Motorola should be able to fix with an update. Let's talk performance now, because this is easily one of the strongest area of this phone. It's powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. For storage, there's only one option, which is 256GB, but for RAM, there are 2 options, 8GB and 12GB. The one that we have with us is the base model. In benchmarks, it easily scores 3 million in AnTuTu. I know, it's only slightly more than the OnePlus 15R, but the temperature remains much cooler. I also ran AnTuTu storage test, and here it easily beats OnePlus. And these are the scores in Geekbench CPU, Geekbench GPU, and 3D Mark. The readings are fine, but the most impressive stat here is the stability. It's actually more than 80% in both the 3D Mark test, which is honestly not very common. I also played some games to see how well it does there, and here things are a bit tricky. See, it has all the power to run games at max settings, especially both BGMI and Call of Duty Mobile. But at the moment, it's not showing the highest settings. And in games like Genshin and Wuthering, the average FPS is fine, but the gameplay could have been slightly smoother. I really hope Motorola pushes an update to fix these minor issues, because what I'm seeing here is a power-packed phone that just needs a bit more optimization. Apart from gaming, the day-to-day usage is fine. Hello UI feels smooth, the animations look great, and the RAM management is also good. There are 3 years of OS updates and 5 years of security patches promised, and for the pre-installed apps, you do get some. But yeah, you can uninstall them easily, and while you're at it, you can just disable the glass lock screen as well. Battery is another area where this phone just kills. First of all, it's a big 7100 mAh battery here, which is giving like 8 to 9 hours of SOT even with heavy usage of gaming and benchmarks. But for normal usage, it can easily last you more than a day. And for charging, there's 90-watt charging support, which is fast enough. There's also 25-watt G2.2 magnetic wireless charging support, which is the best thing honestly. And there's 5-watt reverse fire charging in case you need that. And yeah, you also get bypass charging support in this phone, which I think is a first for Motorola. Now, since it's a performance-centric phone, the cameras might not feel very attractive, but surprisingly, the photos come out well. For example, take a look at these photos. They are all taken from the main camera. It's a 50-megapixel Sony Litia 710 sensor at work, and there's OIS as well. As always, the colors look punchy, the details captured are good enough, and even in low light, the photos come out usable. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide shots also look good. The colors are punchy here as well, but the moment you zoom in, you can easily notice the lack of details. But for social media, it's good enough. And for the 32-megapixel selfie camera, the skin tones are captured well, the colors are okay too, but the details could have been slightly better. And for the videos, you can record 4K 60fps videos from the main camera, and they come out detailed and sharp, as you can see in this video. So overall, in cameras, the phone performs decent. It's not the best, but it's not the worst either. And in terms of connectivity, there's zero compromise. You get the latest Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0. There are 17 5G bands here, and I tested it with both Airtel and Jio. No problems here. You also get eSIM support and NFC, so yeah, all covered. The USB port is Type-C 2.0, but that's okay, I think. Now that you know everything about this phone, let me tell you about its pricing, because that's where this phone starts to feel illegal. So yeah, the base model of the Edge 70 Max starts at 54,999, and with bank discounts, you can get it for 49,999. And the sale starts on 20th July on Flipkart. For the price, this is easily one of the most spec'd up phone that you can buy in the market right now. You get a premium build, solid performance, gorgeous display, magnetic wireless charging, and decent cameras. And not just that, I also like the fact that Motorola has taken the feedback on design, curved display, and performance and delivered what most people wanted. I just hope they work on the software optimization a bit more, because once that is done, it's easily one of the most practical 50K phones that you can buy. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you found it useful. If you did, please press that like button. It really means a lot. It really does. And if you guys have any questions about the Edge 70 Max, feel free to ask us in the comments and we'll answer all of them. Literally all of them. And if you want us to compare it with any other phone, do tell us that as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.